Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
Let's start learning. This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today for you friends. This is the exercise number 18. This is also a very simple part like earlier tutorials. We will use only 2 sketch, 1 revolve, and 1 extrude cut commands for completing this part. We will use SolidWorks 2018 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular practice. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Left-click on Front Plane and choose Sketch. Take Center Line command and draw lines like this. Height is 32 plus 16 plus 24 equals 72 mm.
Now select Smart Dimension. Now take the Line command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 48 millimeters. So, distance is 48 divided by 2 equals to 24 millimeters. Distance is 72 to 48 equals 24 divided by 2 equals to 12 millimeters. Height is 24 millimeters. Height is 16 millimeters. Height is 32 millimeters. Diameter is 108 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
So, distance is 108 divided by 2 equals to 54 millimeters.
Press OK.
Hold on Control button and select these lines, and choose collinear relations. Take chamfer command. Chamfer dimension is 4 mm by 45 degree.
Press OK. Now take circle command.
Select these circles and make them equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 8 mm.
Press OK.
Take Extend Entities command. Extend this line.
Now take Trim Entities command. Now trim these lines. Press OK. Now select Smart Dimension. The sketch is fully defined.
Go to Features menu and select Revolve command. Select line 1 as axis of revolution.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Left click on this surface and select sketch. Press Ctrl+8.
Now take circle command.
Convert this circle for construction.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 88 mm.
Press OK.
Take center line command and draw lines like this.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Angular distance is 60 degree divided by 2 equals to 30 degree. Repeat as earlier.
Now take Circle command.
Select these entities. Make coincident.
Press OK. Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 8 millimeters.
Press OK.
Now take circular sketch pattern command. Select this circle for patterns. Change it to 6 numbers.
Press OK.
From sketch menu bar, fully define sketch command. Select these entities. Press calculate.
Press OK.
From featured menu, select extrude cut command. Select up to next.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Press Ctrl+8.
Congratulations! This is the part which we are trying to build.
If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us. Left click and select Edit Sketch. Change it to 8 mm. Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.